At City Rail Link, we're not only creating New Zealand's largest infrastructure project, we're also creating a social and cultural legacy which will last long after we've gone. The key design kōrero for our station buildings is a creation story, which has been gifted to us by mana whenua.
Yeah, so we're here at Concretec, New Zealand. We're casting the panels for the water wall. The manufacture process is we first of all manufacture the mold done by an external supplier, Jackson Industries. So we set that up. Then we've got the reinforcement section that creates all the cage with all the different reel. It gets tied, and then we set up different pockets to create all the inserts that will go in there with basalt pieces, stone, glass, and they get acid washed, so they get this fine texture that we can see here. We gives it like a sandpaper kind of texture. There's 8 panels in the whole elevation. One of these panels, the range is between 5 to 6 cubic meters, and they will weigh around 13 tons.
The water wall is 8 precast panels that are a feature installation at the Maungawhau Station building. We typically install 2 a day, so it's going to be about a 4-day process. We've got temporary works to design a bracket. These are temporary brackets that we use to position the panel left and right, and then we can finally adjust them, and then after that we can install the permanent brackets for completion.
When visitors, when they arrive, when they walk in, they'll see the big triangle, which is Maungawhau. That's where the water will be running. So the water is just concentrated over Maungawhau. The rest of the wall represents Mata Oho and the other maunga that are around here in Tāmaki. So this wall here is one of the biggest pieces I've been a part of. It stands 9 metres tall and spans the entire atrium of the station. We're getting close. The water is being installed, and the guttering is kind of the next stage. These basalt pieces are going to be inset into the wall, and the water's basically going to hit the sides of the triangles and run down the side and then drip off the end. Some of these triangles were cut out of the basalt that's been dug up from the site. It's in a triangle because that's the shape of a maunga. We're also going to have glass triangles. So they're going to represent all the maunga of Tāmaki Makaurau. So I hope that the visitors to Maungawhau Station get to enjoy this art piece for many, many years to come.
The CRL showcases many Māori design elements, making the stations uniquely Tāmaki Makaurau, Auckland. Near Maungawhau Station in Eden Terrace, the Fenton Street footbridge joins Fenton and Ngāhuru Streets. The glass panels which decorate the lift honour the Māori atua god of volcanic activity, Mataoho, and represent Ahitipua, volcano. Atua, atua, Mataoho, Mataoho, Ahitipua, Ahitipua. The CRL showcases many Māori design elements, making the stations uniquely Tāmaki Makaurau, Auckland. Above Karanga-a-Hape Station's Mercury Lane entrance sit 3 large concrete panels with raupunga, a traditional Māori carving design, made up of pākati notches which repeat up and down. Within the pākati, the figures ira atua, spiritual life principle, and ira tangata, physical life principle, are traditional signal markers as a welcome. Raupunga, raupunga, pākati, pākati, ira atua, ira tangata, ira atua, ira tangata.